chicken pot pie. Let's start with the chicken. Rotisserie or poached. You have the choice of pulling the chicken or dicing the chicken. I prefer pulled. It gives it a lovely texture and it makes a really stable base for the baking of the pot pies. So there's our meat from one chicken, 3 to 4 pounds. Most of them run about 3 to 3.5. So we have a pile of about 3 small ribs or 2 larger ribs of celery, 2 small to medium onions or 1 large onion. And we have 2 apples. I've got 1.5 already chopped, something super crisp. This is literally honey crisp apples. I zested just the yellow off of this lemon, and I took about a teaspoon and a half each of lemon and orange zest, and I doused the apple with the juice of the small lemon so that we would slow down its browning process and add the flavor, of course, of the brightness of the lemon juice itself. So over here, we defrost our puff pastry for 2 hours in the fridge the day you're gonna use it. In the skillet, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. To that, we're going to add, obviously, our apples, celery, and onion. Now, if you did not poach your chicken and you're using rotisserie, you may want to add a little bundle of aromatics. So you may want to throw in a bay leaf and a little bundle of thyme and parsley stem. I have that flavor built into our stock, so I'm skipping that personally. And I'm throwing in my zest and thyme, salt and pepper. And again, you can use white pepper if you want that kind of earthy, not as strong pepper flavor. I like black pepper with this personally, so I'm gonna throw that in. Still gonna use the nutmeg though. And then I'm gonna sweat it for a few minutes to get that soft. And now we're gonna sprinkle in about 3 tablespoons of flour to the 4 tablespoons of butter that we used. We start to combine the flour with our celery, apple, and onion mix. So then next we're going to add some cider, about 1/2 cup or a little more. About 3 cups of our homemade or store-bought stock or broth. And now we're going to add our chicken. Ooh, look at that, our cider gravy's thickening up beautifully. So now we're gonna add the finish of a little heavy cream, like a round spoonful of Dijon. Ladle this, just transfer it into a casserole dish if you're using a large casserole. Leave it in 1 large cast iron pan, which you could have made it in. Or for presentation's sake, just to be kind of fun, tonight I'm dividing it among all of these little individual pans. Now we take our damp towel off the top of our pastry. And this does not have to be perfect at all. Just literally set it on the pan and let it do its thing. It's fine. You don't have to seal anything or do anything special here. It's no big deal. And now we're going to lightly brush with our egg wash. Give it a little bump up very carefully. Get that into your oven. 375, 400. When the pastry starts to get lightly golden and puffed, that's when we're gonna add the sprinkle of cheese if you're using it. Here are the pot pies, not quite done. We're adding our cheese. Now we're gonna put them back in till the top's nice and brown. Okay. Wow, huh? A little parsley, a little tiny dusting of paprika,